Yep, we are right here in Anambra State, somewhere in Anambra State. Guess what? The reason why we are here, we are here in Anambra State to cook for the Lord. You understand what I mean?
Special food.
Me and my beautiful daughter.
Hello.
And my
Hi.
PA.
Of course.
We are here in Anambra State to cook for the Lord. On a serious note.
With special ingredients,
Yes. I know it's gonna be bomb when it's out. You will love it.
You will. Sure. You will love it. You're gonna love it.
This is the beautiful hotel where should I call him my producer or my is it my marketer?
He's all of them.
Or should I call him my business partner? It's everything. Wow. This is a beautiful hotel where he lodged me. I'm going to be here for some days for this wonderful walk we're about to do. I know when it's out, it's going to bless your soul. It's going to change a lot of things in your life. I just decided to come down to the East for the very first time. I've not done any job here in the East. I'm always in Lagos doing my works there. But this time around, this humble man that you don't know yet invited me down here in the East to do this work. And I said, no. I said, okay. Let me come down here to do this particular one and see how it goes. And I know the name of the Lord will be praised, highly praised on this job. Wait for it. I love you so much. All my fans, wait for it. It's going to be a bomb, I am sure. I'm feeling it in my spirit mind. God is going to glorify his name once again. So wait for it. Wait for it. I love you, all my fans. Thank you. Praise the Lord, sons and daughters of the Most High God. You may be wondering why this woman is so excited this evening. I want to bring a very good news to you. A lot of people have been asking me, sending me texts. Mommy Rose, we don't used to see your performance in internet. We don't see this, we don't see that. We need to see you performing live. Finally, I have gotten a YouTube channel. Praise the Lord. That is the good news. In that YouTube channel, we're going to be watching all my live performances, all my videos, including the home video that I just started newly. Very soon you will see the first bomb from the home video, Christian home video. You understand now? Praise the Lord. So I want you to go to YouTube, subscribe. I'll put the link on this video. Subscribe so that you'll be getting everything about Rosemary's Gospel, both in music, both in acting, both in live performances. You will get everything in full. So make sure as you get this video, I'll send the link under for you to subscribe there. Go to my YouTube channel. You will not regret it. My wonderful people in my Facebook page, my friends in my Facebook, I want to tell you that I love you so much. I want to appreciate you, all of you in my fans and friends of Rosemary, all the people in my Facebook page. I love all of you so much, and my father loves you more. Thank you for your support. So support me in this YouTube channel. Let us get there. Let us get there.